everyone, welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Mr. Bennett. I will be your son or daughter's pre-calculus or pre-calculus honors math teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. And this video is just an introduction of myself and some things that we will be doing this year in class. So let's go ahead and get started. So about me. So I am in my 16th year of education. So I've spent 13 of those years in the high school setting, and I've spent 3 of those years also in a middle school setting. I've taught a lot of subjects, all the way from Algebra 1 through discrete mathematics, and I've had several years of teaching AP Calculus AB and AP Calculus BC. So I've been very fortunate enough to have taught a wide variety of subjects in those 16 years. I am also co-author of a Praxis 1 math book called Praxis 1 My Private Tutor, and it can be found on Amazon. But if your son or daughter decides to become a teacher, Praxis 1 is an exam they have to take, and several of us got together and wrote a math book to help as a study guide for that Praxis 1 test. I was born and raised in Michigan. You can see I've taught in Michigan, I've taught in Virginia and Washington, D.C. So my wife and I moved here after college, and so we moved after I graduated from Grand Valley State with a bachelor's in mathematics and psychology. We spent 12 years here, moved back to Michigan a few years ago, and came back for this job in Flint Hill, all during this COVID time. So we are super excited to join the Husky family. I'm ecstatic about it. I'm the proud father of 2 children. I have a son named David. He's 4, and I have a daughter named Ashlyn who is 10. And so they keep me pretty busy. I've been married since 2005. I married my high school sweetheart. We started dating when I was a senior in high school, and we've been together ever since. So we're looking now going on 20 plus years together. So we love to travel with our kids. Disney World is one of our favorite places to go, but we also like to sightsee here, Mount Vernon, Gettysburg. We like the local history here as well. So we try to do a lot of things together as a family. I'm also a certified tennis professional, so I have 2 certifications through the USPTA and PTR. I tell you that because I will be the assistant varsity tennis coach this year for the boys and girls season. So I am hoping that those seasons go on, and I'm going to be positive about that, and we are going to have those seasons. So I'll be on the court this spring working with your son or daughter on the tennis court if they decide or if they are players. In the classroom, there are a lot of important apps that we use, and technology plays a role more than ever today with what's going on. And so I've listed a few important apps, and number 1 at the top there is Husky Hub. All of our assignments are posted in Husky Hub. That includes homework, assessments, videos to watch. Everything gets posted to Husky Hub. That's what the students are responsible for. I also post everything to Google Classroom, which I think that's why that's number 2. It's a very important app. All material, videos, assignments also get put in there. It's kind of my backup, and it's a nice place where we house information for kids where all of it's listed for them, and they can have access to the homework, the videos, materials 24/7. Edpuzzle is where students will watch videos. I'm able to track if they've watched it, and if I ask quiz questions or embed questions in there, I can see how they did with those questions, so I get a better understanding if the video I had them watch was beneficial or if they struggled with that. So Edpuzzle is a great app that we use. The videos that I host in Edpuzzle are also, again, on Classroom as well. Desmos, great mathematical software that helps students learn and connect mathematical concepts. In the classroom, I don't like to lecture for 45 minutes, so if I can use a Desmos activity to help engage students or help students further their understanding of a mathematical concept, I like to use that. And the kids have been doing really well with it so far. You can see the apps that are starred also have an Android or iPhone app for it too, so they have access to it on their phone as well. Most of this material they will have access to 24/7. So those are the technology pieces that we have together to help us get us through the class period or through the day, or if you're virtually, hand in assignments. So those are the technology apps I feel that are most important. There are other ones out there, but those are the ones I primarily use in class. So I didn't list Khan Academy. That's a great resource, but I don't use it personally in the classroom. So as I said, I teach pre-calculus and honors pre-calculus. There are some major differences. One, yes, the speed of honors pre-calculus would be faster, but that just doesn't make it honors. We also do some more in-depth or some different activities to further or deepen understanding to help those students get ready for BC Calculus. Honors pre-calc students mostly will go into BC Calculus. That doesn't mean all of them have to or will, but that's the track that's most students will follow. So we try to supplement that in that honors pre-calculus class. Pre-calculus students, many of them go to AB Calculus, and so that's important too. Not necessarily all students will do that, but that's the track they lay. So we really try to lay a good foundation for them to be successful in the next path in this course. And you know, having taught AB and BC, I'm fairly confident that we'll be able to do that nicely. So if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me in email. The students are doing a great job with this. You know, if they forget an assignment right now, or if it doesn't upload or they can't get it to me, I'm very understanding. Okay, I understand technology can screw up, internet can go down, but email me. That's the only way I know if you're having difficulty, because I don't want to add any added stress to your son or daughter. Okay, so please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or comments. I can't wait to meet you. I'm so proud to be a Husky, and we'll see you hopefully soon.